My name is Myra Moody. I'm a business intelligence analyst, data analyst. What a long title. But I work with the product Argos in the business and finance area. The reporting tool we were using was well-focused, I think now it's more well-integrated now, but it was a well-focused. And there were some issues with that. It wasn't really user-friendly. It wasn't, it just was complicated. It just didn't mix well with the people that utilized well-focused to me at our university. And it gave the day, and then it was complicated for for people to use it that was not technical too. So it just was complicated, and it just didn't work at all. Oh yes, Argos was wonderful. It's user friendly, data block designers, writers. It was just able to, and the viewers itself, it was able to make it more simplex, more simple, more together. And the implementation went by real fast. I was a part of the implementation, implementing for the financial aid, registrar's office. I was a part of IR during that time, so I had to help implement all the student, and the finance area had their own people to help do the finance area during that time. Yes, it was high, and that I can see the increase in that automatically. And then we got a new chancellor that was data driven too. So at the same time, we was implementing Argos, getting the data that was required for the different areas. They could easily go out there and run the reports on the web version. Oh, they loved that. They loved that, and be able to print out their reports whenever they want to or whatever. And for the chancellor, he to know that data was available for them, and he was data driven. It was just a good opportunity for us. The IR department, our director is the one that recommended Argos to them when they came to do a demo, and everybody just fell in love with it. And I definitely like Argos, and the way it helps our school make informed decisions is amazing. It's when I use a lot of the unions. I use 4 different unions in it, and it helps let her know what bank she used, what miscellaneous items that she has, to what was purchased during this time or whatever. It's from a cashier standpoint. But there's many other ones too, from the student side to the graduation reports to it's a lot. I don't have a very favorite one, but I just love doing what I do. Oh, excellent customer service, excellent product, just an all around. I just did this at a finance conference we had in Asheville, and they was talking about, I was telling them, oh, we got predefined data blocks in Argos about budget reports, and I was telling them the different names of the budget reports, and I said, well, I just have to modify it to fit our school needs, and they was like, I said, y'all can do that too, and they was like, what's the name of the product? And I was telling them the name. I think it was A&T. I cannot remember the name of the school that I talked to, but just opportunities to let people know that how easy this product is, how excellent the customer service is, and just an all-around good product. Yes. I would love for the dashboards to be more accessible to us, and I love how Argos Ads is getting there and doing that for us. We supposed to have been doing a pilot for Argos Ads, but it fell through for us. But I'm so ready for us to go ahead and get into Argos Ads and to get that going with us. And I think that would be the next product, Argos Ads and the dashboards and making them look gorgeous and pretty and everything else. Every session in my mind, it's like, oh, can I take that back to our university? Can I make that work there? Can I make this can we do this and that, this and that? Even though it may not be finance, a particular, I can still use the undertaking of everything and take it back with me. So all the sessions was wonderful and excellent. Of course, the food is excellent every time. I don't want to bring that up, but and the location too, and just being I'm about to say fellowship with the other Evision, know their names and their faces, because I talked to Jacqueline Wolf almost all the time, and I was like, oh, that's who she is. And and Brian, and just getting to know everyone. It's a wonderful time. I enjoy it a lot.